From DIY, Arnel here, and I'm gonna do a quick rundown of how I rig my homemade plywood kayak for a day fishing. So I'll show you all the things I've done to the boat and what I take out on the water. So come have a glimpse. That right there is my own homemade plywood fishing kayak, the CHK 3.6, and that's pretty much you'll see here out on the water. It's everything I take along with me to do a bit of fishing. So first of all, I go over to some of the add-ons, and then I'll go show you some of the gear I've been putting on. And just to make sure we don't miss anything, we're gonna start from the bow and work our way down to the stern. But first thing first, everybody knows that this is plywood, okay? I just paint it and transform it like there's no difference from the other kayaks out there. I was a bit hesitant painting this because many will disagree, and knowing I've already said the word before that this should be a wood look. But I don't regret what I did. Nothing I know like this kayak look roaming around WA or even around the globe. So I'm still very proud. Overall, it looks very cool, pretty cool. Anyway, going back to how we're gonna rig this up. Here from the bow, next to the grab handle, we get this GoPro mount bracket with selfie stick attached that you can extend to up to 1.5 meters. Good thing with this mount bracket though is you can position this to any angle you want. This will help a lot with your fishing filming session, so you don't miss any action when you're fishing. Obviously this is a hatch here. Lift the lid up. You can see, oh, there you go, plywood there. It's big enough to store anything you want. Moving down, this kayak is powered by a pedal drive here. We will be having a test on this one soon, but I don't think this will create any problem. Last time we did like this on our first build and it's run smooth, so I guess this one as well. Last week from map handle, I DIY'd a rail as you can see here, and on that side, H-rail as what they call this in hobby. What it is just a mounting mechanism that you can attach anything, and at the same time it's a grab or handrail. So you can see I've got rod holder attached on both sides and a Garmin fish finder on this side. I just didn't wire it up yet as I still figure out which side I'm going to mount it. Is my stadium seat. Looks different as I painted the frame black. I bought a storage box with a couple of drawers from Bunnings. I also painted to match and secure under my seat. This is a good storage for my favorite jig and lures with easy access and reach. We'll go to the starboard side gunnel. You can see there is my bottle holder for my drink. And in here, just outside the H-rail is where I secure my paddle by installing a couple of nylon hooks. Swivel in and out for my paddle to rest. Here is my DIY steering mechanism and control. Very straightforward and simple. You push it forward and it will stay right. You pull it back and it will stay left. So yeah, very simple. Behind the seat, back down to that to the stern, you will see a couple of dick flush rod holders, port and starboard, a bungee cords in the wheel with a white hatch, and another hatch for the back near the rudder. So yeah, I guess that's all the features of this kayak. I hope I didn't miss anything. Any add-ons in the future will depend on how you use and what it is for. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry if I involved you through this, but if you like this video, hit me a thumbs up. Have your say. It may be some ideas or some add-ons in the future. Please share. And if you could subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button. That would be another thing to appreciate. Thanks, and see you next time.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.